Alright, I'm going to show you guys how to remove a DC power jack from a laptop motherboard without damaging any traces or the motherboard itself. You could do this in about less than 10 minutes. Items that you'll need is a piece of solder sucker, a pair of pliers, I got a toothbrush, some alcohol, and a workstation or a heat gun like this one, because it's got a tip where I can control the heat. We're going to set the heat gun at 380 degrees and the air to 18 is good enough. You don't want it too high because the heat will blow the pieces off the board, all the surface mount devices. So the first thing we do is clean the area up with some alcohol, put some on a toothbrush, and just clean this area up. Get all the corrosion off. Next, we'll heat up this area and apply solder to the existing solder. It will help remove it a lot better. So if I have the heat on too, or the air too hard, it will actually blow this capacitor. I don't know if you can see it, the surface mount capacitor off. We don't want that. So once we got some solder on, we're going to use a suction tool to remove it. So I just push the capacitor. If that happens, just take a set of tweezers and push it back on. I think my suction tool is going. It's not sucking like it used to. It's very important you clean your suction tool out prior to doing this, so you're going to run into problems like I am. So now that I got majority of the solder off, I'm going to use the heat gun to heat the whole area as I pry it off very lightly. There you go. So now you can see the jack came loose, it's removed. There's no traces that are damaged. And now all you have to do is run some alcohol on the area again to clean all the flux off. And put the new jack back on. That's it.